In the wake of the Bitcoin spot ETF approval by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, there's been a lot of volatility in the market that has affected other cryptocurrencies such as Dogecoin. And due to this, a prominent influencer in the Dogecoin community has taken to X, formerly Twitter, to warn investors chase each move. Dogecoin influencer Mishabor posted an urgent warning for the Doge community on his X account on Sunday, warning investors of making bad moves as the crypto market volatility continues. Mishabor warned his over 42,000 followers that news of the ETF approval may not drive the market in the direction they were expecting. He further emphasized that those who are trying to chase short-term gains in this market, or those who possess only limited liquidity coupled with a low risk tolerance, could be the risk of turning the wrong way in the market. And according to the influencer, as the market continues to fluctuate wildly as a result of the anticipation around the Bitcoin spot ETF trading, investors could be subject to catastrophic volatility levels. This becomes even more of a problem when these investors are overexposed to the market. Mishabor cautions that those who are currently buying the spot ETFs are not actually buying Bitcoin, rather they're buying IOUs issued by the asset managers who issue the ETFs, the traditional finance institutions that, according to some, Bitcoin was meant to replace. And the Dogecoin influencer further explains that the likes of BlackRock and Fidelity, who issue these ETFs, do not really care what happens to the Bitcoin price. Rather, their concerns is with power and control, enabling them to generate substantial profits regardless of the direction in which the price of BTC is headed, Mishabor states. As ETF discussions heat up around crypto communities, debates have erupted about which asset will be next to get approval for an ETF from the SEC. Naturally, the likes of Ethereum and XRP have been at the forefront of these discussions. But unlike these communities, the Dogecoin community has been less than ecstatic about the idea of a possible Dogecoin ETF. Responding to a comment from another X user asking the Doge community to stop asking for a Dogecoin ETF, Mishabor agrees and called the idea of a Dogecoin ETF to a monstrosity. And Mishabor is not the only one who possesses this view of Doge ETF. It's study of effort to turn back when Mr. Benton Medjers in Western Water that is now opposite all the times we just can't find out, Philo, what I'm using then, and how what is a metric call of top of the reasons given for this view include the fact that it would perform better as a digital currency rather than an institutional investment, as well as its meme, constata, you need a deterrent for institutional investors.